Welcome to the loneliest places on Earth, a journey into the heart of isolation and abandonment. In this exploration, we will delve into remote locations where silence reigns supreme, and the echoes of human presence fade into distant memories. Picture vast landscapes untouched by time, where the remnants of civilization stand as haunting reminders of what once was. Each location we visit tells a story of desolation, evoking a dark and atmospheric tone that invites contemplation. As we traverse these eerie terrains, we will uncover the chilling realities of life in these forgotten corners of the world. From abandoned towns to desolate islands, each site reveals the stark beauty of solitude and the weight of silence. Join us as we embark on this unsettling journey, where the absence of humanity speaks volumes and the allure of the unknown beckons. Tristan da Cunha, a remote island in the South Atlantic, was once home to a thriving community. This isolated land, situated over 2,400 kilometers from the nearest inhabited land, faced harsh living conditions that ultimately led to its abandonment. The island's extreme isolation is chilling, as it is cut off from the rest of the world by vast oceanic expanses. The community struggled with limited resources, unpredictable weather, and a lack of access to modern amenities. Natural disasters, including volcanic eruptions, further exacerbated their plight, forcing many residents to leave in search of better opportunities. Today, the remnants of this once vibrant settlement serve as a haunting reminder of human resilience and vulnerability. The silence that envelops Tristan da Cunha is profound, echoing the stories of those who once called it home, now a ghostly testament to the challenges of survival in such an unforgiving environment. Point Nemo, often referred to as the oceanic void, is the furthest point from any landmass on Earth, situated in the South Pacific Ocean. This desolate expanse evokes an eerie sense of emptiness, where the nearest humans are frequently astronauts aboard the International Space Station, orbiting high above. The isolation here is profound, as the closest land is over 2,700 kilometers away. This unique geographical feature enhances the feeling of desolation and loneliness, making it a haunting reminder of how far removed one can be from civilization. The vast blue waters surrounding Point Nemo are devoid of human presence, creating an unsettling silence that can be felt even in the depths of the ocean. The absence of life and the sheer distance from humanity contribute to a chilling atmosphere, leaving one to ponder the stark realities of isolation in such a remote corner of our planet. Hashima Island, once a bustling coal mining hub in Japan, tells a haunting tale of human ambition and subsequent abandonment. Established in the late 19th century, it thrived with a peak population of over 5,000 residents, living in tightly packed concrete buildings. However, as coal demand dwindled in the mid-20th century, the island's vibrant life faded into silence. The last inhabitants departed in 1974, leaving behind a ghost town filled with decaying structures and rusting machinery. Today, the island stands as a chilling reminder of its past, with crumbling buildings overtaken by nature. The eerie silence envelops the island, broken only by the whispers of the wind through shattered windows. Visitors are struck by the stark contrast between its once lively streets and the desolation that now reigns. Hashima Island serves as a poignant symbol of the impermanence of human endeavors and the relentless march of time. Bouvet Island, a desolate landmass in the South Atlantic, stands as one of the most remote places on Earth. This uninhabited island is notorious for its harsh weather conditions, with relentless winds and freezing temperatures that dominate its icy landscape. The island's extreme environment makes it nearly impossible for human life to thrive, as survival is a daunting challenge. With its glaciers and snow-covered terrain, Bouvet Island remains a stark reminder of nature's formidable power. The unsettling reality is that no permanent inhabitants have ever called this place home, leaving it eerily silent and untouched. The isolation is profound, as the nearest land is over 1,600 kilometers away. This remoteness, combined with the island's inhospitable climate, creates an atmosphere of desolation, where the silence is only broken by the howling winds. Bouvet Island epitomizes the haunting beauty of nature's most isolated corners. The zone of alienation in Chernobyl stands as a haunting testament to the catastrophic nuclear disaster of 1986. Once bustling with life, the towns are now eerily silent, overtaken by nature's relentless reclaiming. Crumbling buildings and rusting vehicles serve as chilling reminders of the lives once lived here. The psychological impact of this desolation is profound, as visitors often feel a heavy weight of sorrow and loss. Strikingly, in the absence of humans, wildlife has flourished. Wolves, deer, and even rare birds have made this forsaken land their home, thriving in a landscape devoid of human interference. This juxtaposition of life and death creates an unsettling atmosphere, where nature's resilience contrasts sharply with human fragility. The abandoned structures and overgrown pathways tell stories of a past that cannot be forgotten, leaving an indelible mark on the psyche of those who dare to explore this ghostly realm. The Skeleton Coast in Namibia is a hauntingly beautiful yet desolate stretch of coastline, notorious for its shipwrecks and unforgiving conditions. This eerie landscape, where the Atlantic Ocean meets the arid Namib Desert, has claimed countless vessels, leaving behind rusting remnants that tell tales of despair. The relentless winds and vast emptiness create an unsettling atmosphere, as if the land itself mourns the lives lost to its treacherous waters. Abandoned settlements and ghostly remains dot the coast, remnants of a time when human presence briefly thrived. The harsh climate, characterized by fog and fierce gales, makes survival nearly impossible, driving away any hope of habitation. This stark environment serves as a reminder of nature's indifference, where isolation reigns supreme. The Skeleton Coast stands as a testament to the fragility of human endeavor against the relentless forces of nature, evoking a profound sense of loneliness and abandonment. The cinematography of The Loneliest Places on Earth plays a crucial role in conveying the theme of isolation. Sweeping shots of empty landscapes, shrouded in fog, create an ethereal atmosphere that immerses viewers in desolation. The camera lingers on decaying structures, emphasizing their haunting beauty and the passage of time. These visuals not only capture the stark reality of abandonment, but also evoke a profound psychological response. The emptiness of the scenes serves to amplify feelings of loneliness, allowing viewers to feel the weight of isolation. Each frame is meticulously crafted to enhance the narrative, drawing attention to the stark contrasts between nature and human absence. As viewers navigate through these desolate locations, the imagery resonates deeply, leaving a lasting impression. The combination of haunting visuals and the stillness of the landscapes invites contemplation, making the experience both unsettling and thought-provoking. The sound design of The Loneliest Places on Earth plays a crucial role in immersing viewers into the haunting atmosphere of isolation. Minimal background music allows the ambient sounds to take center stage, creating an unsettling experience. Deep drones resonate in the silence, evoking a sense of foreboding, while distant winds whisper through the desolate landscapes. Low echoes reverberate, mimicking the emptiness of these remote locations and building tension throughout the documentary. Each sound is meticulously chosen to enhance the emotional weight of the visuals, drawing viewers deeper into the narrative. The subtle interplay of sound creates an almost palpable presence, making the silence feel alive and oppressive. As viewers traverse these abandoned places, the soundscape becomes a character in its own right, amplifying feelings of loneliness and desolation. This careful crafting of sound design ensures that the haunting essence of these locations lingers long after the documentary ends. The narrative style of this documentary is a crucial element that envelops viewers in a haunting experience. The calm and slow-paced narration guides the audience through each desolate location, creating an atmosphere of unease. The narrator's voice, steady yet unsettling, draws attention to the stark realities of isolation. Pauses are strategically placed, allowing silence to linger, which amplifies the tension and discomfort. These moments of stillness invite viewers to reflect on the emptiness surrounding them, enhancing their emotional connection to the locations. Each word is carefully chosen, with a deliberate rhythm that evokes a sense of dread and curiosity. As the narration unfolds, it becomes a haunting echo of the past, reminding us of the lives once lived in these forgotten places. This narrative approach not only informs but also immerses viewers deeper into the unsettling experience of exploring the loneliest places on Earth. More stories are coming. These remote locations, filled with echoes of human absence, force us to confront the unsettling reality of isolation. What does it truly mean to be alone? In a world where constant connection is taken for granted, These desolate landscapes remind us how fragile human existence really is. The silence surrounding Tristan da Cunha, Point Nemo, and the haunting remains of Chernobyl speaks louder than any voice. Are we, in our endless pursuit of connection, slowly drifting toward our own forms of isolation? If this journey into the world's quietest places made you pause, consider leaving a like. And if you're drawn to stories that explore the unseen, the forgotten, and the unsettling corners of our world, subscribe, because this is only the beginning. As we reflect on the eerie beauty of these abandoned places, one question remains.